Welcome back. We're on the last leg of going from Newman to line structure, and I think there's only one more major video, which is using Newman projections to understand the energy profile of a molecule. Okay, but that's a separate video. This is the first of the two videos where we're going to go from Newman to line. Again, just like always, I do one video first to introduce and work out a problem. I'll do one more video with one more problem in it, and then I'll leave you with a problem for you to practice. All right, going from Newman to line is the easiest thing you probably will do in your life. All right, typically, when you look at a molecule like the one you're looking at the very top, this first, let's go ahead and actually put C. Okay, basically what you're looking at is a carbon with three components attached to a carbon with three more components in the background. Okay, so there's C that you're looking at. I don't want to write the other C because it's actually on the back end of the molecule. So let's go ahead and actually write the C. Now you're wondering, okay, which one is front, which one's back, which one is the one that's not either in front or back. Typically, whatever's in the vertical position is always the one that's not part of the chirality. Okay, that means you can just draw OH like anywhere you want, okay, without a wedge, open or closed wedge. Now, for convenience, we're going to look at the molecule from this view. Okay, it just makes life easy. Okay, keep a position adjusted. Okay, so again, you could start from here and then work our way back. Now, since we're looking at this side, for this carbon containing three pieces that I just highlighted, okay, the OH is in the vertical, I've already driven it. The hydrogen, as I'm looking at, is in the front, right? Right, and then the Br is in the back. Okay, now this is connecting, right, the carbon in the back, right? So draw a line, draw the other carbon. That carbon has three pieces. The Br is obviously vertical, so you can just draw it anywhere basically, as long as it's not disturbing the chirality. And then you're looking from this perspective, the OH is in the front and the hydrogen is in the back, which is these three are part of the other component. I'm going to draw it with the dot just to differentiate it. Okay, that's how you go from Newman to line. Let's do one more. Again, this is the C. We're looking in the front, other C is in the back. With this has got three components. You may wonder, well, what is really the vertical here? Good question. Draw an arrow. That means we're looking at these two in the front, these two in the back. That means these two are vertical. So with respect to this carbon, well, technically this is sort of vertical. You know, it's slanted, but it's still pointing out, right? So C, the hydrogen is in the front, and the OH is in the back, and the Br is pointing up. That's for the one facing towards us. There's a C in the background, just connected by a C. Again, the hydrogen is in the front, the OH is in the back. Because again, that depends on your perspective. If you look from this, it will all be the opposite, but that's not the case. And Br is vertical, is not affected. And that's it, folks. Actually, you know what? While I have it, let me just make it as one video. Okay? The one on the top is what you're going to practice. The one on the bottom is what I'm going to do, because it's not always going to be simple like in the top. Okay? Again, but the idea is the same. Okay? We're going to look from this view. Okay? This C is the one C I'm going to draw first. This is pointing up, so that's not affecting. So basically that's CH2OH, right? Right? And then the Br is towards me and the hydrogen is away from me on this triangle, right? Again, we draw a line, Okay, the Cl is towards me, the OH is away from me. Keep in mind, don't mix pieces. These three are part of this triangle, those three are part of the back triangle. The OH is here, and then you have your CH2, CH3. Now, if you actually think about it, okay, we're not really interested in RNS here, okay? This is basically a line structure that you're so familiar with. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This has got the OH, obviously, okay? That's the CH2, right? This is the CH2. Actually, CH2, right? Attached to OH. This is the BRH. You can just draw it above or below, it doesn't matter. Just don't switch the positions. Again, ClOH and CH2CH3. Here we go. This is same as this. This is the way I will probably test you on the exam. I won't be expanding it. I will concise it to a line structure that you have. All right. The three lines means it's the same thing. That's what it means in mathematics. So I want you to practice this. This is your practice. And turn this in as part of your thoughts. And if you have questions, ask me in class. And that means we have only one more video left, and that will be the energy profile diagram using Newman projections. So stay tuned for more videos.